Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the front seats. It will be the same procedure for front left and front right. On a Volkswagen Jetta, that will be the 5th generation from 2006 all the way until 2010. Okay guys, there is two different kinds of seats, manual or power seats, and in our case we have the power seats. So what you will need to do, you will need to scoot the seat all the way to the back. So if you have power seats, do not unhook the battery yet, but you will eventually need to unhook the battery and we will tell you when. So stay with us and we'll show you how to remove it now. Okay guys, so that's the tool that we'll be using to remove the seats. Okay, it's an M10, as you can see like that. It's not a Torx because it has more teeth than the Torx. That's what it looks like. They use it on the German vehicles, Volkswagen, Audi, Skoda, Seat, that they have in Europe. And if you scoot the seat all the way to the back, there is one bolt here that we will need to remove. And usually that set that we have, you can use a 13mm socket on top of it. And you just need to loosen it and remove the bolt. This one it's pretty rusty here. The vehicle was involved in an accident and one of the windows was broken, so it got some moisture inside of it. Okay, just like that. Just take it off all the way and pull it out. Okay, almost ready. And that's what the bolt looks like right there. And now we have one more on the front, towards on the front right rail right there. So the same thing, just loosen it and remove the whole bolt, and it will be identical for the passenger side as well, just the same as the left side. So that's why we're demonstrating on the front left side. And now it will be the time to scoot the seat all the way to the front, all the way, because there is more bolts that we'll need to remove on the back. So if you have power seats, what you need to do pretty much right now, you can scoot it all the way, or manual seats, it doesn't matter. And now we're on the back side, as you can see, and again with that M10 tool we'll need to remove that bolt there. Okay, we remove the one on the left, and now on the right the same procedure, just one more bolt. And now if you have power seats, what do you need to do? You need to scoot the seat to the back. Okay, and you need to go all the way to the back now, and once you do that, you will need to go ahead and unhook the battery for at least 15 to 30 minutes before you proceed with the next step, if you don't want your airbag light to be on. Now, after you remove the battery, right here there is a few cables that you need to remove. So this one, the black one, you need to press in right here and pull. Okay, they come out easy, but it's a little bit of limited room. Now the yellow one right here, this one, it needs to go this way. Okay, let me show you like that, and you pull it out. And now there is one more that you will need to undo right there. Okay, like that. And now on the bottom black side, you will need to press and pull out. Okay, and now you need to release the cables right there, just like that, and everything is unhooked now, guys. Okay guys, and you just go ahead and pull the seat out, usually through the back or the front door, it doesn't matter. So that's how you remove it and replace it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.